Okay, hello everybody. My name is Lucy Ryan Moore, and I'm going to show you how to make burgers. I got these from the store, and I got this and spice, a spatula, a spoon, peanut butter, chopped cheese, noodles, and my favorite food is pizza.
Okay.
And my favorite is ice cream.
Okay. What do we do first?
We are gonna make burgers.
Okay.
Now, I think that's enough talking.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? Okay. Let's think that's enough to mix it with that spoon. Wow.
Are you stirring your melted chips? Then what?
And then we'll put the chopped noodles in.
Okay.
What are you doing there? What are you doing? I'm putting chopped noodles. Okay. Shake it. Okay, good job.
What are we going to add to it?
Butterscotch.
Okay.
Can I help you? Okay. Spoon. Let's not use that spoon, okay? I can do that.
Okay. Mix it up good.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. You use that spoon? Good job. Now what?
Me, put them in the oven.
Is this the no-bake recipe?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think we'll get the oven open.
So then we just let them dry, right?
Yeah, eggs to next. Go put them on.
Yep. Put 2 or 3 eggs in each nest. Good job. Are they nice and cooled out?
That's it. I'll follow you.
Okay. You want people to follow you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You say thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.
And do you want to thank your sponsors?
Yeah.
Okay, list them. Who are your sponsors?
Mommy, Daddy, Master, and Lucy.
And Vortex Optics.
Yes. Well, hello everybody. My name is Benjamin. No, Benjamin. Stop.
Stop.
Turn on. Hello everybody. My name is Benjamin. What am I doing?
Cut.
Ready? My name is Anya. No, not Anya. Stop.
Cut.
I keep messing up my name. Oh no, the bathroom fell down.
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay.
Your
Hello
name-
everybody. My
Wait,
name
wait.
is Lucy Ryan Moore.
Wait.
Dang it.
Here, hold on.
We put what happened? Oh. I dropped it. Don't worry, I'll be back. What wait, my stool stuck. Now I can.
Yeah.
Happy Easter, everybody.
What are you gonna make today?
I can make. Oh, I need a party.
Okay, cut.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get started.
Hey, did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to
No.
fix your apron?
Oh, silly.
Yeah.
They have the paper, you see, and I can make pudding.
Okay.
Okay. We got spray. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter, everybody.